everybody, it's Mimi Kirk.
And Lisa Kirk.
My daughter over here. We just finished this book that we're very proud of. It's called The Plant-Based Dog Food Revolution. And this is dog recipes, all plant-based. And we're gonna fix something really special today because all dogs love this. We're making some doggy cookies. So let's just get at it right now.
But there are also cookies that you can eat too.
Oh yes.
They're for human consumption. They're doggy and human consumption.
And we do eat them.
And I
And
have to make enough so I can have enough for myself and for Bianca. 25 for me and 25 for Bianca.
Where do I come in?
You can talk to either one
Well,
of us to share.
we're going to tell you where you can get this book because it's just hot off the press. So we'll put it in the comments on where you can get it. And listen closely, and you can follow the recipe that we're giving you, and then you can buy the book and have all the recipes. So let's get started. So the first thing, we're going to measure 2 cups of gluten-free oats. And we're going to take a half a cup out because that's going to go in the bowl later so we have a little texture. We're going to mix the first part in here, gluten-free oats. And we have 2 large ripe bananas that are going to go in. Sliced
in
chunks, but they're
chunks.
going to get mashed up in there. Mike tried to get a banana before, but we didn't give him one. And then, well, he can have that later on. And then we're going to put a quarter of a cup. We're going to measure a quarter of a cup of thank you, Bianca. She knows these are for her. A quarter of a cup of coconut flakes, but we're going to split that in half. 1/8 of a cup is what we're going to put in now, and we put the other 1/8 of a cup to the side. We're going to do the same thing with the pumpkin seeds. A quarter of a cup, and we're going to split that into 1/8. So 1/8 goes in there.
1/8 of a cup of pumpkin seeds.
Right. And then we have a wonderful thing, which is good for us and dogs, which is coconut oil, and we're putting 2 tablespoons in. Now, just to let you know, this is going to make 50 cookies, so you're only getting a little bit of everything in there. I'm sure you can give your dogs 2. We're saving these blueberries for the topping, and you can use cranberries or blueberries or apple or anything you like. So now we're just going to grind this up a little bit.
And the reason we're saving some on the side is because it adds a little bit of texture.
Yeah, we're going to
add it in afterwards.
And how much you're going to pulse this for?
Just a little bit. We're just going to pulse it until it blends, but it's not. It's a little bit like cookie dough, but still, so there's a little bit of texture.
Looking
That
good.
looks good.
Yeah, let's show them a little bit of that texture.
Okay.
While she's getting that together, I'm going to show you, we have a baking sheet, and we're going to put parchment paper on it. It's going to go in the oven at 350, so you want to heat your oven to 350. And
So that's what it looks like when it's just almost blended all the way, but not quite. So you still have a little texture. So we can put this in the bowl.
right, and we're going to make these. Very small because that's all that you need. Really, they're less than they're less than a teaspoon, not quite a half, a little bit more, and that's how we get 50 cookies out of it. But they're a perfect treat, and they're great for a snack for your dog. You can even crumble it up on top of his food sometime because they love bananas.
Yeah, I do that with
all
Bianca's
dogs love
food.
bananas. That's what we found.
Okay,
So
so we're gonna put
these
that.
have been very, very popular. So I'm going to show
So
you how
now
to
we're
do
going to
this.
add the rest of the oatmeal in here, and we're going to add the rest of the coconut flakes, as well as the pumpkin seeds.
Lisa cooks for her dog every day. Lucky Bianca gets her meals made. And in the book, you'll see it's very easy. She makes meals ahead for a week, and you can freeze them. You can keep them in the refrigerator longer. So the basics are cooked, and then the rest of the food that you're putting in fresh.
The one thing that I love is that it's food that I can eat too. So if I want to add a spice to it, something that maybe Bianca cannot have, I'd separate that. But it's food that both of us can eat. So you're actually saving a lot of time because you're cooking for your dog and you can eat it yourself. So here we go. This is a pretty good consistency here, and it looks like batter. And we're just going to take this and we're going to make little balls and put this on the cookie sheet.
Okay.
And
You can use your nice clean hands like you would sometimes with your own food. And I'll hand these to you, Lisa. Let's make it just a few up.
okay.
And then we're going to tell you where you can buy this. You can go to youngonrawfood.com/live-raw. Or if you just go to youngonrawfood.com, you can go to where it says buy my books. And you can buy the book. We're going to autograph it for you. And if you notice, Lisa and I are both wearing these little dog tags. And that we're going to give you that as a free gift when you buy from us. And it says, love the dog you're with. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
So this is what they look like.
So you're just making little balls. This is one of the easiest recipes, and a lot of times you already have this stuff in your house. And you also can use different fruit. You can put a little piece of apple in there, or a strawberry, or whatever it is that you have on hand.
Cranberry. So this is what you do. And here is the finished product. It just came out of the oven, and we could not believe the smell. It was so good when these are cooking. You won't believe it. Here they are, these beautiful cookies, and they are delicious. And we're going to eat one, right?
They're so good.
Poor Bianca.
I want to
She's
eat them
down
right
here.
out of the oven.
She's down
I
here
know.
waiting. We're
First
going to
I'm
give her
gonna-
one too. So anyway, I hope that you get the book. You're going to love it, and the photos in there are amazing of these dogs we took all over the world, and it's just a fantastic book. So cheers.
These are like little jewels.
Cheers.
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 Thanks for watching.